Hi guys, welcome back to E&W Motovlogs. So as y'all know, I've been looking for a new bike because I got rid of my CRF 250R so I can get her TRX 400, as you've seen in
the last video.
Either last video, 2 videos ago, whatever. We posted up not too long ago. Go watch that, and yeah, just go watch that, and then
come back to this video.
And come back to that.
So we have some very big news for you guys once again. So like he said, he got rid of the 250, and
I got a pretty fresh YZ125.
And guys, let me just tell you guys, he has been wanting this bike forever. And if you guys see his lips or my lips blue, we're just eating Italian ice.
Yeah.
So, but yeah, he's been wanting this bike and he has been talking about this bike forever. So he finally got it.
For a steal of a price too.
Yeah. So there's one more thing we wanted to tell you guys. We got rid of the KX65. We no longer have it. I'm gonna post a clip right now. It's super foggy right now, but it's the last night with the dirt bike.
As you can see, loading it up. Say bye-bye. Splitting our ways.
We had fun with you yesterday. Bye bike. Last night. Getting ready to go. Babe, are you ready to say bye to it? Yeah. New things will come. Yeah. That was us trying to get rid of the bike last night, and what happened was we drove an hour away from our house to go sell it, and the person didn't want it. They said it was too small for them, and then we got rid of it this morning. And
literally a couple hours later we went and picked this up.
Like
as soon as I sold that bike, I went and got to my mom's house. We stopped at my mom's house real quick, and I looked on OfferUp. Boom, the bike was right there. I was like, I'm gonna have to hit him up.
And like I said, he's been wanting this bike forever, guys. So yeah, guys, are you guys ready for a montage? Should I just get one montage?
Just give it montage now. Yeah, montage right now. Right now.
Just a little montage with him holding a bike. You know.
Okay, so as y'all see in the montage, there's a bunch of little stickers on there that gotta go.
Let me just show you guys one more time. There's a sticker here, a sticker there, sticker there, sticker there. You guys get the point. There's stickers all over, and they kind of make no sense.
Yeah, the most randomest place. The dude got a Pro Taper bar with freaking rental bar pad.
Yeah, that's all gotta go, guys. Also the we're getting a new
we're gonna end up getting new handlebars. The guy
new handlebars,
his ass on it, and this is a little tweaked right here. The handlebars are a little bit tweaked, so instead of being nice and straight, this one's kind of like a little slanted down, but that's not too bad of a fix. Put some new handlebars whenever I can get them. Bike rides fine as it is right now too, so I mean, one kick every time. I literally haven't started it since I got here. As you can see, cold as hell. Literally one kick. know if y'all can really hear us too well. We are out here by a bunch of warehouses where there's trucks and there's literally a road right there and a railroad track right there. So I'm seeing a couple clips of me riding it around right here so y'all can see it riding and stuff. But stay tuned for the next video or
the next video. We're going.
The next video
yeah.
we're going out. We have a event to go to, a little riding event. So that'll be literally like the first ride I ride with this. So let me just take it up and down so y'all can see it running.
Oh, I see it.
I go get it. I get my hat and go up. So that's a new baby. It does need a little, you know, it's a little baby work. It's a little cleaning, a little, you know, fixing up here and there, but I do want to change this ugly ass levers. Get that shit out the way. Cause this thing is hard as hell to pull. Look at that.
No matter what bikes we get, we're always gonna change stuff up yeah,
exactly.
to our liking. So
yeah, hopefully I can get the unbreakable levers and put on this thing. Yeah, I don't like how tight it is. Look at that. Like I couldn't even pop the clutch to like let it like.
But guys, let us know what you guys think of the new bike.
You guys think it was a good cop? Let me know. Any mods you think I should do? Let me know.
Oh, the seat. Yeah, we're changing that.
Go.
Yeah, we're changing that for sure.
All these plastics are coming off. Like all this stickers. It's ugly. This man tried to glue it back on. Oh my god. That's so. Why? Why do that? He took the graphic kit off and then tries to glue it back on. Look at this. Look at this. Look at this. Show him this glue. It's fucking glue. It's literally glue. Like, what is this? I don't know why. People don't take care of their bikes the right way, man. They be doing some dumb stuff.
Guys, we had to come record in a random spot just because they took our other spot.
Did you see that shit when I hopped off there? This is crazy. Well, if you guys like this video and you're happy for me, give us a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and comment down below for more videos. Yeah, that's the new bike. YZ125.